DJI, a pioneer in drone technology, has recently unveiled its newest addition to the Air series, the Air 3S. Although the exterior design appears to be a familiar sight to those acquainted with the Air 2S, the Air 3S hides substantial improvements beneath its sleek exterior. Key upgrades include a more powerful camera system, capable of capturing stunning aerial footage in various lighting conditions. The drone also benefits from enhanced flight performance, with improved stability and obstacle avoidance capabilities. Additionally, the Air 3S features a longer flight time, allowing users to explore more of their surroundings without the worry of battery constraints. These advancements solidify the Air 3S's position as a top-tier consumer drone, offering a balance of performance, portability, and ease of use. The Air 3S maintains its impressive portability, weighing in at a mere 724 grams, making it easy to carry and operate on the go. While the overall design remains sleek and compact, a notable addition to the exterior is a new LiDAR sensor, strategically placed at the front of the drone. This cutting-edge sensor significantly enhances the Air 3S's obstacle avoidance capabilities. LiDAR, which stands for light detection and ranging, utilizes laser beams to accurately measure distances to surrounding objects. By continuously scanning its environment with these laser beams, the Air 3S can swiftly detect obstacles in its path, allowing it to autonomously navigate and avoid potential collisions. This advanced feature ensures safer and more reliable flights, particularly in complex or cluttered environments. The primary wide-angle camera has undergone a significant enhancement, boasting a 50-megapixel sensor with a 24mm focal length. This substantial upgrade empowers the device to capture exceptionally detailed and smooth footage, thanks to its capability to record in 4K at 120 frames per second and 1080p at 240 frames per second. The medium telephoto lens, on the other hand, has retained its original configuration, featuring a 48-megapixel sensor and a 70mm focal length. This lens continues to provide a versatile option for capturing subjects at a distance while maintaining a high level of image quality. The camera's expanded ISO range, now spanning from 100 to 12,800 ISO in normal recording and up to 3,200 ISO in log recording, significantly enhances its low-light capabilities. This broader range empowers users to capture sharper and more detailed images and videos in challenging lighting conditions, such as dimly lit interiors or nighttime scenes. The inclusion of a built-in beacon controller in the new RC Pro controller, reminiscent of the DJI Skydio 2, introduces a valuable GPS active tracking feature. This functionality enables the camera to maintain focus on the subject even when it temporarily moves outside the camera's direct field of view. This is particularly useful in scenarios where the subject's movement is unpredictable or when obstacles obstruct the camera's line of sight. Price: the DJI Air 3S will be available in 3 versions. Fly More Combo with RC Pro. This is the most expensive version, priced at €1,359. It includes the drone, a controller, 3 batteries, a charging hub, a carrying case, and a set of obstacle avoidance sensors. Standard Combo with RCN3. This is the mid-range version, priced at €959. It includes the drone, a controller, 1 battery, a charging hub, and a carrying case. Fly More Combo with RCN3. This is the least expensive version, priced at €1,200. It includes the drone, a controller, 2 batteries, a charging hub, and a carrying case. Availability: the DJI Air 3S is set to launch on October 15th. It will be available for purchase through DJI's online store and authorized retailers. Overall, the DJI Air 3S is a competitively priced drone that offers a lot of value for the money. The Fly More Combo with RC Pro is the best option for those who want the most complete package, while the Standard Combo with RCN3 is a good choice for those on a budget. The DJI Air 3S builds upon its predecessor's strengths, offering a refined and feature-rich aerial photography experience. Notably, the camera has received a significant upgrade, boasting a larger sensor and improved image processing capabilities. This translates to sharper, more detailed photos and videos, even in low-light conditions. Furthermore, the Air 3S incorporates advanced obstacle avoidance technology, ensuring safer and more autonomous flights. The inclusion of the beacon controller in the RC Pro version is a game changer for professionals and enthusiasts who demand precise tracking and control. The beacon controller's advanced positioning system enables accurate object tracking, making it ideal for aerial cinematography and other demanding applications.